Hello, good morning. How are you? Tashi Del Lake, Satrigal, Kemchu, Namaskar. So today I am at the Big Bear Lake for the weekend trip with family, and never been to Big Bear for many years. Like, I lived in LA for 20 years, but I never had a chance to visit Big Bear Lake. It's beautiful. We came on Saturday morning, and we plan to stay 2 nights and do all these, recreation stuff. And this is the lodge that we booked through Airbnb. It's called Sugarloaf Lodge, and this one has a 2-bedroom double-story building, and all the amenities are there. Very nice. As you can see, it's like a cottage type. All the houses over here at this location, Big Bear, are pretty much similar cottage style houses. Yeah, so it's beautiful. The weather is so nice, and the wind is very chilly. You gotta bring, like, kind of like this kind of sweatshirts. Yeah, otherwise it's gonna be bone chilling cold. I can't imagine in winter, like, people come here during, like, December, January, February, when the snows all the mountains, and I'm sure it's a lot of traffic. And I advise you, if you're not like fanatic, you should come during this month, like, Thanksgiving. We are here Thanksgiving weekend, so there's not many people here. It's very less crowded everywhere, and you can do all this, like, the rides, or like any sleighing, or those recreation, the stuff. There's not many long lines. Otherwise, like, too many people, the waiting itself takes like 1-2 hours, so you waste a lot of time. And this is the nature call. Beautiful. And in a while we will go to Big Bear Lake and we will explore more. Alright, as you can see, the backside road leads all the way. I'm sure there are people there. And this is, I'll show you here. It's got a main road here. A lot of cars, trucks pass through. See here? This is the main road. And you can see it will lead all the way. See here? That's the main road. Alright, talk to you later.
Sugar like very lovely, right?
I don't know, chini?
Chibadama. Come on.
Oh, 다가지기 모모 디데차샤. 다들 이거도 모모 사이다 빅베어 모모 먹으니 시다. 모모 디 아주 규바리 기야 제샤. 그래. Then 규바 메게라.
Improvise this one.
Improvise. Jugar. We did jugar and we finished. Yeah. Oh yeah. Those to drink it and those to did it. Can you see there? And if I get like this, the leg is shit on the shirt. The shit on shirt. I think you have to do the table gala. And you cheat the shirt and you married. Table gala, you don't cheat the shirt. See that? See that? You're going different direction.
Yeah, because mommy's doing it the wrong way.
Good job. Let's finish the game. It's a very long game. It took almost 20 minutes.
I choose red.
Oh no. Red.
Yeah.
Okay. Now my turn. I pick up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Red, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, baby, did shuffle Jimmy, did you
I did.
Oh, Big Bear Lake. We are on the one of the corner of Big Bear Lake. We need to go to the main spot where you can walk on the bridge. That's what we're looking for. It's a beautiful Sunday, November 20th, 2023. See, the leaves are yellowish color, and there's some duck there. And there's a mountain on the bank, and the cottage. Whoa. Here we go. Stanfield, this is the Big Bear Lake. Stanfield Marsh Wildlife Waterfowl Habitat Improvement Project. Wow, beautiful. So here we go. We are walking on the kind of bridge at the Big Bear Lake site. Oh, the lake is quite big. See there? And lots of car. That's the main road. Big Bear Boulevard. Okay, guys. Hi, someone will taste the shuri. Happy Sunday, everyone. Hope you guys doing great. November 20th. And as you can see, the lake here is so beautiful. You know, nature's fantastic. And the sun is, you know, very nice, bright. And the wind is crisp, very chill. Beautiful altogether. Yeah, you know, paradise. And you can see the mountain there, backdrop maybe. This looks like Tibet, you know, in the Phongpo area. The mountains like same height. And there's like a valley, you know. A lot of houses there. And we're having a wonderful time, weekend in Big Bear. Okay. All right. Here's my daughter and her mom. taking pictures. Huh? Whoa! What is she doing? The flipping. She's flipping. Careful, okay, baby? You might drop in the water. 1, 2. Huh? Oh no. Huh? You didn't do the flip, baby. Yeah. No, video, it's video. You have something to say about daughter and mom? Where are you guys at actually? Big Bear Lake, right? Yeah. How's the experience so far? So far experience? Great, right? And this is the marsh kind of lake conservation. Hi everyone, happy Sunday. We are on the trail going to, what is this trail called? Huh? What is this trail called? I know it's San Bernardino, but there was a name for this trail. Golden Trail?
No, not a golden trail.
Ah.
No, it's not a golden trail.
Not a golden trail?
No.
It's not very, like, you know, steep trail. It's kind of easy trail. Just to feel the hiking, you know, experience. Right?
Yep.
You can see the forests everywhere. All right. Still there? Yeah. Go.